What is search engine optimization? Search engine optimization is the process of affecting the visibility of a website or a web page in a search engine's natural or unpaid search results. Search engine optimization is a term that gets thrown around a lot in online marketing these days, but for the average business owner, it can be very confusing to understand what it is and how it works. SEO is the process of helping your website rise in rank on Google and other search engines, therefore getting your site in front of more people, increasing business and making you an industry leader. It is good to rank for keywords, but it's also important, maybe even more so, to make sure you are reaching your users in each stage of the buying process. It is extremely important to understand that SEO isn't something that you can take a half-assed approach to. You must have a solid strategic plan before you dive in. It is good to rank for keywords, but it's also important to make sure you reach your users in each stage of the buying process. On-page optimization. Off-page optimization. If you are the first website in a string of search results, then your rank is 1.